The importance of English in our daily life. Good morning, everyone. Ready to dive into something essential today? Did you know English is one of the most widely spoken languages globally? It connects us through international communication, education, and even business. Think about it. When was the last time you read a sign or used an app without English? It's everywhere, from movies to browsing the internet. English keeps us connected. In this digital age, knowing English is a game changer. Ever thought of working abroad? English is your ticket to opportunities. Fluency in English not only boosts confidence but opens more doors for your career. Think about your personal development. What's on your reading list? Access to countless resources, books, videos, online courses, often comes in English. Learning English is about more than just a language. It's about your future. The more fluent you become, the more confident and capable you feel. So, what are you waiting for? Start your English journey today. Thank you for listening. Embrace English. It's your key to the world.